guys, another day, another vlog. Welcome to Life in Mocktails. And thank you so much for all the response on the last 3 episodes of Life in Mocktails. I'm really thankful to you all. And lots of love and virtual hugs to you. So today, it's another day of me receiving gifts again. So if you have not watched the reel that's on my Instagram about me receiving gift from my teacher, I'll link down in the description. Make sure you watch it. So today I'm going to Numa Post again to receive another gift from my owner. My owner, like not this one, from Kharkiv. She is like the really sweet person. She is in Germany right now, and after New Year, like for New Year, she wanted to send me gifts because we have lived like in her apartment for 4 years, and it could have been 5 years, but then this thing happened, and this war happened, and we relocated to another city. So neither of us, neither me nor her, is in Kharkiv, and yeah, so she wanted to send me gifts, me and my friend gifts for the New Year. So she sent the gift with someone. She is in Germany, so she could not directly send me by post. So she sent it with a person who came to Ukraine and to another city, and he couriered it me from his city to mine. So now I'm going to the post office. I'm super excited, and lots of love to Marina, Galina, Vladimir, and all the family. Thank you for showing so much of love to me. Thank you. I'll catch up to you guys near the post office. Bye. Here finally at my nearest post office. It's like a gift receiving center for me already, and there's power cut, so you can hear the sound of the generator. I'll now go in and check if they give the parcel in the absence of electricity. Let's go. I've got my parcel. It's here and it's super heavy. It's heavier than my expectation. I don't know what Marina has put into this. Now I'm going back home and will unbox it there and check. I'll let you know, guys, what do I have in here. Special surprise, and thank you so much. Like lots of love. Thank you. Finally, I'm at home and now I'll do the unboxing. So this is the bill, and it's the box, very well packed. I can see some glitters here. That's my name again. It's such a good packing. Oh my god, thank you. Okay, so now is the unboxing time. So it's my name and everything. So big reveal time. Oh my god, it's a lot of things. Okay, so I'll start with this one. This one is locked, so I'll maybe skip it and then start. Okay, so these are maybe cookies with berries from Germany. This is Ferrero Rochers from Germany, but it is a different collection. It is a special edition maybe, and it's another one of the same but different filling. This one is I think dark chocolate, and this one is hazelnut. Okay, and here are some good luck minis. Oh my god, it's so sweet. Then I have here sausages. Oh my god, thank you. It's really cold because of the weather. But thank you. A sausage, right? Yeah, woods. Then it's wafers. Acha, sponge cake with cocoa cream. Thank you again. Then I have some lovely waffles. This smells so good. And there's one more of Good Luck Minis. There are two of them. And yeah, this is. This is something special. Okay, so this I think is a spread or a jam, and it was wrapped in this because it's bottle of glass. Now a very glittery bag, which is again locked. I need to open it. Just give me some time. If I take so much time, I'll skip it. Yeah, I'm almost there, almost there. No, maybe I'll. Oh, it's. Okay. So we have some more cute hangables, toys. Then I have one key ring, especially from Germany, and one more Ferrero collection. And I forgot to open this box. Okay, there's a lot of things here. Maybe you can zoom it. And okay, so these are special tea bags actually, and there are plenty of them of different flavors. You can see, and it smells really good. Oh my god. So yeah, that's all, but that's a lot. Thank you so much, Marina, Vladimir, Galina, also Bovan and Nastya. I'm like really grateful to have you guys. And I did not send you anything yet, but when we will have our shashlik party, I'm surely getting you gifts as well. And thank you so much for so much of love. Like words are not enough for thanking you all. I'm like super grateful for having rented apartment with you, having an owner like you, and yeah, thank you so much. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I'm out of words. I'm emotional and I'm hungry as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and also comment down if you are jealous of me. And I want comments of Marina and Vladimir and Galina as well. So yeah, see you guys. Virtual hugs to all of you. Special hugs to Marina and Galina and Vladimir. Thank you. See ya.